landscape erosion, settling foundations, interior water damage. Major damage costing homeowners tens of thousands of dollars and most often caused by one simple thing: clogged gutters. America's most hated chore can be a thing of the past with America's most trusted brand, Gutter Helmet. No more risking life and limb on shaky ladders. Gutter Helmet is the permanent solution. As the pioneer of the gutter protection industry, Gutter Helmet has been engineered to keep seeds, leaves, debris, and critters out of your gutters, keeping them free-flowing. Gutter Helmet is the #1 choice for gutter protection. Get Gutter Helmet and never clean your gutters again. For over 30 years, millions of homeowners have chosen Gutter Helmet because of its one-of-a-kind patented design. Gutter Helmet's technology is second to none when it comes to the two most important concerns: keeping leaves and debris out while assuring water flows freely through your gutters. Gutter Helmet is also roofing manufacturer approved and is designed to be installed on any home and customized for all types of roofs: asphalt shingles, cedar shakes, composite, and metal roofs. Gutter Helmet is installed exclusively by trained and certified Gutter Helmet installers and can often be installed in less than a day. You can be assured that your home is in good hands with our Gutter Helmet installation team. Unlike other products which require you to replace all of your gutters, Gutter Helmet can be installed over either new or existing gutters to accommodate your specific needs. If existing gutters are being used, your Gutter Helmet dealer will complete a gutter tune-up as needed to make sure that your gutters are properly secured and functioning as needed to assure the water is directed away from your home. Your installer will also remove all the leaves and debris that are in the gutters. If your Gutter Helmet dealer is installing new gutters, the old existing gutters will be removed. If you've fallen victim to one of those other gutter covers that let you down, your certified Gutter Helmet installer will remove these as well. Your new seamless gutters will then be roll-formed on the job site so they can be installed on your home. The Gutter Helmet is secured to your new or existing gutters and your roof using our certified roofing manufacturing approved process. Our patented heavy-gauge support brackets are installed under the Gutter Helmet to ensure stability and deliver added strength to the gutters. Gutter Helmet is customized to adapt to both inside and outside corners and will work with both shallow and steep roof pitches. Gutter Helmet completes the installation with custom-tailored end caps designed to keep out birds and animals. Gutter Helmet will complement your home and is designed to blend with your roof, creating a beautiful finished look. Unlike other gutter covers, Gutter Helmet's unique design includes horizontal stiffening ribs. This design feature not only adds additional strength, it's engineered to slow the water down to prevent water overshooting the Gutter Helmet. Gutter Helmet has been tested to handle twice the record rainfall ever recorded in the U.S. No other product has our patented textured finish, which research has proven can help slow the water down by as much as 30%. The other key element to ensuring heavy rain capacity is the nose of the Gutter Helmet. The precise shape and angle of the nose allows water to adhere much better than other products on the market. Gutter Helmet also has a nose-forward design which helps prevent seeds and small debris from entering your gutters. With the Gutter Helmet unique design, you can be confident water is being channeled through your gutters even in the heaviest downpour. Gutter Helmet also comes with our exclusive Perma-Life finish, designed to prevent chalking, chipping, fading, peeling, and corroding. This unique patented finish will withstand the elements that occur no matter what time of year. Once installed, Gutter Helmet will give you peace of mind that your home is protected top to bottom. Gutter Helmet is backed by an extensive triple protection lifetime transferable warranty that covers material, performance, and labor and can be transferred if you ever sell your home. With Gutter Helmet, you will never clean your gutters again. Gutter Helmet, the first, the best, the #1 gutter protection system. Gutter Helmet, for over 30 years, America's #1 choice for gutter protection. Get off the ladder and get Gutter Helmet.